Hey Ben, I hope you're having a happy Friday. You've turned in almost all of your assignments. The only thing you're missing is Studies Weekly, so I wanted to show you how to access that if you didn't know how to do that yet. I know Olivia's been doing it pretty successfully, so she could probably help you if you're stuck. But you're going to log into Clever as a student, and you put your badge up if you need to. You can click on the teacher page. It's the first one right here. Okay, so click 5th grade, that's you. Yes. Okay, so it has the scores right here. You're going to take the week 7 test. You're going to look through it, read them closely, and you'll click here to take the test. That's where you'll take the test, okay? So I'll show you a undone week so you can see what that looks like. So next week when we have, this is what our next week's going to look like. You read this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday you'll do the language arts connection and take the test. So you want to look through these, get your little quiz on, and then you take the test right here. And then you go to Google Classroom and submit that you did it. I hope you have an excellent weekend. It's a beautiful day outside. Let me know if you need any more help.